this is the shocks I got. Coilovers. See the head there. So basically, I have to use this one to put that. I didn't get a camber plate because I don't plan on doing any camber. All right, so now I'm gonna release these 3 bolts and that nut, only because I don't have a spring compression tool, so I can take the tension off of that. Then I gotta take off this bolt and then 2 down here. One on the other side. I already took out these brake lines, the brake line, and the 2 ABS sensor lines. They attached to the shock. Apparently these are very nice Bilstein shocks. I kind of regret not getting some lowered springs, but for now, it is what it is. I'm definitely not chucking these because these are brand spanking new. You can tell they're brand new. Someone must have just recently replaced these. Anyway, stay tuned. Spring is in. Right now it's cranked all the way down, so I'm gonna bring it up, but I still gotta do these, so stay tuned. Put it right on. I'll see how low it goes. I really don't want to drop it too much. I just want it more level with the back. So this thing's been squeaking and making some weird noises using the stock plates or shock tops or whatever. These are camber plates there. So anyway, I decided to, I gotta get rid of that squeaking, so I'm gonna go ahead and put those on today. Stay tuned. Alrighty, there you have it. It's hard to tell here. I have it in the garage today. It's supposed to snow out in Jersey, but it came down quite a bit. Actually, originally had came down too much. Now she's even with the back. Looks pretty complimentary. I'll see if I shoot some more video later. I just might put something together, throw out there for you guys. Wasn't as bad as I thought. Alrighty, so after I did the springs, my toe, basically the wheel itself, the front of it was actually towed out a lot after I was done, and I didn't want to modify the. You could come in. I didn't want to take it for a wheel alignment because it was just this wheel. The other one was perfect. So what I did was I adjusted the toe myself right here. So what you do is you got to break this nut here. It's a locking nut, and then you remove the collar, and then with a 13mm you turn here and control the toe into out. That's it. So the next thing is the camber. So stay tuned. I need to adjust the camber because unfortunately the wheels are they're this way, right? They're like this, so I want to make it a little bit more square. You may be able to tell here a little bit, but yeah, so that's why I got these camber plates. So I just gotta crack them and adjust it slightly. Hopefully it'll be smooth. The other thing I'm working on, if you notice I'm missing this here, this is off, is because I'm waiting for my my fan clutch. So my car, it sounded like the fan was direct, and it this really bad whining sound. Like I hated it. You can't even hear the intake. And what it turns out is that these go bad. So I'm waiting for Amazon to deliver that and put it in. Send one, the wrong one already. And the other thing was there was a clamp